How to change language in Microsoft 365 Copilot. So, to be able to easily change language on Microsoft 365 Copilot, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open up copilot.microsoft.com into your browser and then sign into your account. Now, once you're signed in, click at the bottom left of your screen and then select settings from here. Now, once you're on the settings, go ahead and head over into the preference tab and then go ahead and set the language into your language preference. And then once you click on your preferred language, Copilot will then reload the page and then you'd be able to find the page in the language you've selected. So let's try reloading the page, and this is how it basically looks like, and that is how you can easily change language in Microsoft 365 Copilot.